Joyful rising, y'all. Okay, so it's like 4 o'clock. I have to be somewhere at 5. I have to go to this birthday dinner for my little cousin. She's turning 21. And yeah, I'm not ready. Hair not done, nails not done. I don't have an outfit, so yeah, let's do that. Let's go. I don't even have time to make an intro, but I first want to give thanks to the Most High, the universe, and nature for this day and this opportunity. Hi, I'm Ace the Vegan Baby, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, let's go. Okay. All right, y'all, because I'm a little late, again, don't mind this. I'm actually redoing my whole closet, but I want to wear something cute, but I don't want to wear something like super dressy or uncomfortable. I want to be cute and comfortable. So what I think is I got this black t-shirt that says Savage somewhere. Here it is. This t-shirt, and I'm gonna wear this long fitted skirt with it and tie the shirt up to make it a crop top. I think that's gonna be cute with some like little black booties. Yeah, okay, let's do it.
We celebrate birthdays all day. We celebrate birthdays all day. Give it up for Michaela. She's in the house. We also got Miss Connie's in the house. We can't forget about our nurses graduating in the back. Wait, they still back there? I hear them. They still back there. Congratulations. Once again, you're listening to the sounds of Elevate Show. Scotty B is on the bass. Zeppelin Horton's back here on the drums. My name, Tommy Spivey on the keys. We're gonna keep this party moving, doing a little something. This is one of my jams right here.
And here is my outfit. It came together so good. Oh, it looks so cute. Yeah, I'm stuck. Oh my gosh. We're stuck. Get all the snow. It's bad. Oh. We are like so close to home. Why? Yeah, we stuck. Gotta walk. Oh my goodness. My favorite artist is doing the verses tonight. Set up. Ah! Woo! Yeah, okay, so I just want to show y'all something. I broke one of my Valentino bottles. So this was my original one that I bought when I first discovered this scent, and I broke the spray part, so I went and got another one, and as you can see, I've been using that one, but I don't want to waste this one. So what I did was, okay, I don't know, wait, let me try to take this one off. So the spray on this one is not plastic, it's like metal and it's crimped, so it's really hard to get off. To switch them out, but I was able to do it. I got some pliers, I got some nail cuticle clippers, and I clipped that metal and I got it off, and I'm going to put it in this little, I'm going to put it inside this little roller perfume bottle and just carry a mini one in my purse. So this is kind of like a blessing in disguise, because now I can like roll the perfume on me whenever I want. So yeah. I just want to show y'all that because I was really hurt that I broke this, but now I fixed it. So yeah. Okay, what's up, y'all? This vlog is literally about to be all over the place because, oh shit, crazy. Because I did a few things this week. My cousin turned 21. You just saw that. I'm going skating at this place called Rollercade, which if you've seen ATL, it's kind of like our version of Cascade, where it's just open skating, and you got to know how to skate if you go there, like for real. And I'm sorry. I'm also taking myself on another solo date because your girl is hungry. So I'm going to eat. And I'm about to do that right now. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. Do you want to see my outfit? I look so cute. Look, I'm all... Okay, I'm just going to show you. Wait, hold up. This is the fit. It's real simple, you know. I'm taking myself out. So I got a little Michael Kors bag with some, what do you call these, bell bottoms? Excuse my SpongeBob socks, y'all. With a black shirt because I'm putting on my black Uggs, my black Bailey bows. A little pink headband to, you know, finish it off. And I'm putting on my black and white cropped, what is it, like trench coat or like wool coat? I don't know what kind of coat it is, but yeah, I put that on. What's up, y'all? I'm about to go skating at Rollercade with my friends. This skating rink is like an open skating rink. So if you ever seen like ATL and you seen them at Cascade, it's like our version of that. If you don't know how to skate, don't show up. And if you gonna fall, get out the way. That's that type of skating rink. So we're about to head out there. I want to show you my skates. They're so cute. I got them like 2 years ago and I ain't never worn them. So I'm so excited to wear them. And yeah, let's go skating. I probably won't be able to show you much because they are playing music. They have a DJ. So I'll show you what I can. And I won't be able to record much because I'm not trying to fall and break my phone. So let's go. Okay, so skating. Again, don't mind my closet from yesterday. But I think I want to, again, wear something comfortable. But it's kind of cold outside. It's kind of cold and warm, so I don't want to wear a jacket, but I don't want to be cold. So I'm thinking I'm gonna pull out the Babe crop. Y'all, I love this crop. I wear it so much. I think I'm gonna wear this with some black leggings, and then I have leg warmers over here. So I think I'm gonna put some leg warmers, probably these. I think I put some leg warmers on and some long socks just so I could be extra warm. Yeah, that's not a good plan. All right, yeah, let's go. Oh, I gotta show y'all my skates. Pooh, so you gonna end the vlog for the people? Say, Mommy just got home and she's tired and she's gonna end the vlog here. Say bye-bye. Lay down. Lay down. Good boy. Roll over. Good boy, Pooh. Say goodnight.